Did you know that having a strong immune system is really important for staying healthy and avoiding sickness? In our busy world today, it's super important to focus on boosting our immunity in natural ways. Welcome to the channel, guys, where we talk about the best foods that can help boost your immune system. We'll explore colorful fruits full of things called antioxidants, as well as veggies and herbs that are packed with nutrients. We'll also learn about the science behind these foods and how they can make your body stronger. Get ready to improve your health and energy as we share the secrets of immune-boosting foods. Let's get started. Starting with number 10, citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are really good for you because they have lots of vitamin C. This vitamin helps your body fight off sickness by making more white blood cells, which are like soldiers that protect you from getting sick. Eating oranges, lemons, grapefruits, and limes regularly can help keep you healthy. You can have them as juice, add them to your food for flavor, or just eat them as they are. It's a tasty and healthy way to stay strong and avoid getting sick. Let's move on to number 9, berries. Berries are really good for you because they have lots of healthy stuff in them. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are some of the best ones. They're full of antioxidants, which are like bodyguards that protect your cells from damage. Berries also have a lot of vitamin C, which helps your immune system stay strong. Eating berries in different ways, like fresh, frozen, or smoothies, can make you healthier and better at fighting off sickness. Berries also have other good things in them called phytochemicals, which help fight inflammation and keep you healthy. The mix of antioxidants, vitamin C, and phytochemicals in berries doesn't just make you less likely to get sick, it also helps your heart, brain, and skin stay healthy. Before we continue to the next food on our list, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can get more health-related information through our videos. Number 8 on our list is garlic. Contains a special compound called allicin, which helps boost your immune system. Allicin works by making more white blood cells, which are like your body's soldiers against germs. By having more white blood cells, your body becomes better at fighting off viruses and other harmful microbes, like the ones that cause colds. But that's not all. Garlic also has other compounds that help fight bacteria, viruses, and fungi, making it even more effective at keeping you healthy. You can add garlic to your meals for its flavor and health benefits, or even eat it raw for the most potent effect. Some people also take garlic supplements to get their immune-boosting benefits. Bringing us to number 7, ginger. Packed with special compounds that fight inflammation and harmful free radicals, which can weaken your immune system. By reducing inflammation and getting rid of these harmful substances, ginger helps your body better fight off infections and stay healthy. But ginger does more than just boost your immune system. It's also well known for calming nausea and helping with digestion. Whether you enjoy it as a soothing tea, add it to your cooking for flavor, or take it in supplement form, ginger is a versatile and effective natural remedy for keeping your immune system strong and your digestive system happy. It's a tasty way to take care of your overall health. Number 6, we have turmeric. Holds a powerful secret, curcumin, its active ingredient known for its many health benefits. Curcumin is great for your immune system because it fights inflammation and gets rid of harmful substances called free radicals. By doing this, it helps your immune system work better so you can fight off sickness and stay healthy. But curcumin doesn't stop there. It also helps your immune cells work more effectively. Whether you enjoy it in delicious curries, as a comforting turmeric latte, or in supplement form, turmeric is like a golden potion for your health. It's a tasty and effective way to support your immune system and your overall well-being. Let's move on to number 5, yogurt. Yogurt is not only tasty, but also really good for you, thanks to its probiotics. Probiotics are good bacteria found in yogurt and other fermented foods that help keep your gut healthy. Your gut plays a big role in your immune system because a lot of your immune cells live there. Probiotics help keep your gut balanced and strong, which in turn helps your immune system work better. They do this by regulating immune responses, making more antibodies, and protecting your gut from bad germs. Adding yogurt to your diet is an easy and yummy way to get more of these helpful bacteria, which can make your immune system stronger and keep you healthier overall. You can eat yogurt by itself, mix it into smoothies, or use it as a creamy topping. However you choose to enjoy it, yogurt is a tasty partner in keeping your immune system healthy by taking care of your gut. Number 4 on our list is leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are really good for you because they're packed with vitamins and antioxidants that help your immune system. They're rich in vitamins A, C, and E, which are important for keeping your immune system strong. Vitamin A helps protect the linings of your respiratory and digestive systems, which are important barriers against germs. Vitamin C and E, along with antioxidants found in leafy greens, help fight harmful substances called free radicals, reduce inflammation, and make your body better at fighting off infections. Eating leafy greens is a tasty and healthy way to boost your immune system and stay well. You can have them in salads, cook them as a side dish, or blend them into smoothies for a nutritious boost. Bringing us to number 3, nuts and seeds. Almonds, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds are really good for you because they're rich in vitamin E, which is important for your immune system. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage caused by harmful substances called free radicals. By doing this, it makes your body better at fighting off infections and staying healthy. Including these nutrient-packed snacks in your diet is a great way to keep your immune system strong and avoid getting sick. Whether you snack on them by themselves or add them to meals, nuts and seeds can help support your overall health and well-being by boosting your immune system. Let's move on to number 2, green tea. Green tea is renowned for its abundant flavonoids and potent antioxidants that play a pivotal role in bolstering immune function and shielding the body against various diseases. By regularly indulging in green tea, individuals can fortify their immune systems, potentially lowering their risk of illnesses and promoting long-term health. Incorporating this refreshing beverage into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to support your immune system and maintain overall well-being. Number 1, we have mushrooms. Shiitake and maitake in your diet can be beneficial for your immune system due to their rich content of beta-glucans. These compounds have been found to enhance immune function by increasing the activity of white blood cells, which play a crucial role in defending the body against infections and maintaining overall health. By incorporating these mushrooms into your meals, you can support your immune system and promote well-being, helping to keep yourself healthy and resilient against illnesses. Thanks for watching our video on the top immune-boosting natural foods. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our future content. And as always, stay healthy, stay vibrant, and stay tuned for our next video. Take care.